All right, so welcome back. I'm going to be looking at setting up your bank account for Odoo. So here we go. Here is our user docs on bank accounts, a bunch of details there, right? And if you click in here, you'll see more of the bank synchronization details that you can go through. But I'm going to just go directly to Odoo and I'm going to find these three dots and I'm going to see if I can get it set up. Right, so let's go to Odoo. I'm in my dashboard there, and then you'll see here, you won't see the three dots when you're not on this area, right? So once you hover your mouse on this area, you'll see these three dots appear. So you got to click on them. Then you got to go connect bank. There we go. And then you're gonna look for your bank in this list. You'll see there's loads and loads of banks. I'm with Westpac, so I'm gonna go Westpac. I'm gonna set up my business account. I'm gonna go connect. So it's waiting for the third party provider, which is Yodlee. So all that was required then was for me to put in my details for my bank, and it's pull in all these transactions for 2 months.